Congratulations! You have just joined thousands of other people around the world that are using the Builderall's platform tools to start an online business and increase their income. But before you get access to our platform, I want to ask you a question. How would you like to start making money today with Builderall's two-tier commercial license, where you would get access to a done-for-you, completely automated and proven system that will help you generate sales and create an additional source of income for you on a monthly basis? You see, there are 6 irrefutable rules when it comes to having success online. First, you need to have a great product with a huge demand. Then you have to have a recurring earning system that pays you on a monthly basis. You have to have a professional sales funnel. You have to have a perfect offer. You have to have a sales leverage. That means you make money based on other people's actions and activities. Then you need to be in an everlasting niche that's going to be here today, tomorrow, and for many years to come. It was by knowing these rules and analyzing all the reasons people have a hard time to succeed online that Builderall created a done-for-you and completely automated system. With the Builderall's two-tier commercial license, all you'll have to do is drive traffic for your unique affiliate links, and we even teach you how to do that. Here's how it works. You choose which funnel you would like to promote, get the link, and begin promoting. The rest is already done for you. It's that simple. We have dozens of funnels with all the pages already configured and ready to go, an email sequence ready to be sent out telling people about the reasons why they should be using our platform, and all you have to do is promote your link, because the rest is already done for you. You will get access to dozens of high-converting banners so you can promote on Facebook or any other native platform. You'll be able to choose from dozens of highly effective sales funnels used by the top marketers in the world to generate millions of dollars each month in sales. And on top of that, you'll even get access to our special training bonus that teaches you how to run paid ads using the top ads platform in the world today. Okay. So how do you make money with our system? Here's how you get paid. When you promote your affiliate link, people will be able to get access to Builderall's platform for 7 days free. Once they decide to sign up and pay for their subscription, you will get 100% commission for their first month and 30% commission every month after that. This is 100% commission for all your direct sales on their first month and 30% commission for every month they decide to stay active using the Builderall's platform. Now, much like the same way you came to this video, right after people pay for their subscription, they will be presented with the same offer you are watching right now. Once they decide to upgrade to the Builderall's two-tier commercial license, you will earn 100% commission from their upsell purchase, all the while still making 30% commission of every month they continue to pay for their regular subscription. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Once the people that have upgraded to the Builderall's two-tier commercial license begin making sales, they will be making 100% commission for the first month on every direct sale they make, plus 30% commission for every month thereafter. And you will also receive 30% commission from their direct sales. This is called a two-tier commission structure. You'll be able to earn on a monthly basis 30% commission from your direct sales and also 30% commission from the sales that the people who decided to upgrade to the Builderall's two-tier license generate in sales. Can you see the power of duplication and automation of this system? Not only you'll have access to a ton of promotional material already done for you, but every time you sell, you will earn 100% commission from your direct sales and 30% commission on the second level on a monthly basis. This is definitely a revolutionizing way to earn money while providing incredible value to people that are looking for a solution like Builderall's platform. Here's what you'll get when you upgrade today. You get promotional advertised material, Facebook ads models, AdWords banners, blog banners, email swipes, sales video, lead magnets, opt-in pages to create email lists, sales funnel for a quick purchase, article sales funnel, franchise admin panel, leads control, lead store, earning commissions control, 24/7 support, professional email sequence configured, social proof app on sales page, active chat on sales page, browser notification on sales page, quick training for commercial partners. By now, you have seen the amazing tools you have access to by using the Builderall's platform. Now imagine combining this awesome solution with the ability to earn money every time someone subscribes to use our platform. You don't only have an unlimited earning potential with this commission structure, but you also have unlimited resources to begin promoting it in the easiest and most automated way possible. Now remember the process. You'll get your affiliate link from the sales funnel you decide to promote and begin promoting it through the different methods we teach. The rest is already done for you. Now you may ask, but what about the leads? Do you keep the leads? Absolutely not. These are your leads. These leads will be a part of your email list, and if you decide to promote other things to your list, you can. All we did was create a highly engaging, high-performing email sequence to get people to see the amazing potential of using the Builderall's platform. Once they decide to take action and pay for their subscription, you earn the sale. Amazing, huh? Now, all you have to do is click the link below to take on this special offer today and begin using this automated system right away. The price you see on this page is a special price for the Builderall's 2-tier commercial license, and it can go up at any moment. So hurry and lock in the price you're seeing on the screen before it goes up. Click the button below and we will see you on the other side.